What are you doing?
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
It's funny how you didn't use any soup.
Shut up. Don't pick on me.
Look at
Wait.
you.
I wasn't ready. Look at that. Now you pick on me.
Oh gosh, your PvP is good. I hate strafers. Drink the soup.
I was trying to, but it sucks when the freaking soup all goes over to the right.
Alright, I'll let you kill me for a little bit. Hit me. Just keep hitting me. And I'll act like I'm trying to hit back. But I need this video. Oh darn it! You're done for. Really? That's how you do it? You just move back. You just move back.
Don't pick on me.
It's so funny.
Okay.
You move back and what in the world? You can hit me, I don't care. If you beat me, I'll cry.
Good. No.
It's funny how you move back.
Don't pick on my fighting.
Keep moving back, you're supposed to approach.
Approaching's bad.
Thanks for that.
I wasn't ready.
You're done for. You're done for. Keep running. He's running. You're running already. There's no point of running. I just want my... Really? Darn it. No. I can't lose. Oh, darn it. Oh, darn it. Oh, I had 2 hearts.
I think I had 3.